The acceptance of appointment or designation for the Wayne County Probate Court. Hi, I'm Darren Findling of the Probate Pro Law Firm, and we're going to cover Form WCPC 571. This form is used for the Wayne County Probate Court for the appointment and or designation of a fiduciary. WCPC stands for Wayne County Probate Court 571 is the form number. At the top left, you'll see that it's a Wayne County form for the court at Wayne County, and the top right would be the case number and judge. And then, of course, you can identify whether you're accepting the appointment as the fiduciary or you're accepting the designation or nomination of the fiduciary in the role that you're sought to be appointed. At the bottom in purple, you'll see that it identifies the the form number as well as the statutory provisions and court rules that relate to this particular form. So for more additional information, you can go to the statutes or court rules. As you can also see at the top of the document, it has the address and phone number of the probate court already completed. In the matter of is the name of the estate. It could be a guardianship estate. It could be a developmental disability guardianship, conservatorship, deceased estate. This is where that information goes in, the first, middle, and last name. The next section is a checkbox under number 1. It identifies the nature of the fiduciary relationship of which you've been appointed. Again, it could be guardian, conservator, personal representative, whatever that nomination or designation of your role is in your fiduciary capacity. Number 2 indicates specifically for a designated standby guardian of a legally incapacitated individual. This is a new allowance or provision within the statute that allows a person to be a standby guardian, and that's the idea of the designation. So you can sign a designation saying you're going to accept the designation as standby guardian in advance of your fiduciary role beginning. And number 3, it says you accept the appointment. You're agreeing to the appointment. You're agreeing to consent to the jurisdiction of the probate court. You're agreeing to follow the statutes, the court rules. You're agreeing to file the reports and perform all of the required provisions that are set forth under statute and court rule. 4 is a exemption as it relates to whether you're going to limit your agreement to serve in this role as to certain ownership interests or real estate interests. This is not a typically used provision, but it allows for the fiduciary to not become responsible for a certain aspect of the estate that may have a high risk associated with it. And it explains below that because you believe that the property may be contaminated. This could be property contamination for a hazardous substance, and you want to avoid liability in relation to it. Number 4, it gives you the option to receive the court communications via email versus traditional mail. And then there's a spot for the attorney to sign, as well as the signature and the completion of the information for the person that's signing the acceptance. You'll notice that in the date of birth section, it refers to a form MC97A. This form is used to protect protected information so that the general public can't obtain information like dates of birth and social security numbers. So you're going to want to refer to scale form MC97A for this particular provision. And this is the acceptance of appointment designation utilized at the Wayne County Probate Court. At the Probate Pro, we are passionate about everything probate. If you've got a question about a probate-related issue, you're welcome to reach out to us at theprobatepro.com or 833-PROBATE.